Okay, so you want a layout of 13 by 9, and let's get started. So get out any block of your choice. I'm going to be using yellow and gray concrete, and then I'm going to locate the center and come out by 3. Same thing on the 2 other sides, and get your other concrete block and wrap it up. Now replace this for the concrete block, and then create this. Now get your concrete block and just wrap it up, and another concrete block, do this. Okay, and just fill this up as well. Now we're gonna get our red and green and a button and a trapdoor. Place a trapdoor in the center, the green on the left and the red on the right, and place the buttons. Now we're gonna get our shulker box and barrel, and we're gonna place our shulker box this side, and we're gonna be placing our barrel on this side. Now let's clear our inventory, and let's come up here. Let's get a quartz slab, a sticky piston, a dispenser, a hopper, and a observer, and a torch, and a redstone dust, and a block of your choice. Now all you want to do is just come around and place the torch on these 2 sides, with a block going on both on top of them, and a torch coming out this side, and a torch going on top, with a block going on top of this, and a block next to it with the redstone dust. Place a block up here, and then a sticky piston. You can remove this or keep it. And same thing with this one, just bring 2 blocks around it and wrap the redstone dust with it. Now it will activate the trapdoor and the sticky piston. Same thing this one, and let's add in our sticky piston as well. There we go, our slab worked. So let's clear our inventory and get the next materials. We need the observer, then we need a dispenser and a hopper and a soul sand as well. And we're also going to take a dropper and redstone dust and a comparator and a block of choice. From there, come out with a observer from the sticky piston, one going across and one going down, and then get a dispenser and face it towards the trapdoor. Then from there, place a soul sand up there and a block in front of it, and then a hopper running into it. Now coming next to the barrel, get a dropper, 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then place the hopper running into the barrel. And then from there, we're going to place a block up here with the redstone dust and a observer going into the dropper and a comparator. And from there, place the observer on top, then a redstone dust, then a observer going into the dropper again, and then come down, place a hopper going into there with another one, and then place a line going into this, and then remove this one and place it going into this block like this. Make sure this one is not facing down, and then from here place 3, 1, 2, 3, then place 2 blocks down, 3, and then place 2 droppers running into the third last hopper, and then from there get a comparator again. Same procedure we're going to do with a block going into it and a redstone dust and a observer going into it. Now we're going to remove this and run a hopper line, and that will go all the way to here. Make sure they're running in properly into there. Now let's get ourselves a slab and make sure it's running from here. 1, 2, 3, and get ourselves a repeater going 4 ticks, and now we need a sticky piston that will go down. Also place 2 blocks up here, forgot to mention, I did that after. Going down from there and place a redstone block here. From there place 2 blocks and then 2 repeaters, this first one going on 4 ticks and the second one going on 1 tick. And then from there place a block in front of the dispenser, and we're gonna get ourselves a comparator running out of it with a block in front, and then a repeater going on 4 ticks to the light with a block in front of it, and then a sticky piston, the redstone block on top. And now we're gonna serve another block and place up here. That should be it for the redstone. Let's go in the front and test that out. Okay, so I've gathered 3 shulker boxes, a emerald box, a gold box, and a TNT box. We're gonna put them into our dispenser and press the next button. So we got the gold box, we don't want it. We don't want this emerald box, we want the TNT box. And then we're gonna click confirm, and that should eventually go into this barrel, correct? And we should get the other ones. Gold box again, we want the emerald box, and the gold one should come up here on, yep, and the emerald box should go in there, and you press it one more time and it will go eventually in here. And that's it. So guys, if you like it, please comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.